Silence from your lawyer shouldn't always mean silence in court. What if the situation is where your attorney doesn't call you back, where you've hired someone or you're using a public defender and you can't get in touch with them? Well, what does that mean? What do you do? What if you show up to court and maybe they're not even there? Well, the main thing is when you have to show up to court, make sure you show up to court. And if you can't get in touch with your attorney, either a public defender or someone you paid for, let the judge know. Tell them the situation. Well, I've hired this attorney or I have this public defender. Here's where I've called them, and be specific. Write it down when you reach out to them. If you send them emails, make a copy of it so that way you have it. You can turn it into the court if you need to. These are all important. Make sure that you're documenting it. Now, the other part of that is you want to make sure that you have a right to effective assistance of counsel. This is your Sixth Amendment right. You have a right, if you can't afford one, for an attorney to be provided for you in a public defender scenario. Or if you've hired an attorney, certainly they have ethical duties that they have to give you of good, effective counsel, and making sure that they do things like contact the assistant district attorney, work out a deal, look at the discovery, file motions if necessary. All these things are important. So if you're in that situation, the best thing to do is to show up to court, let the judge know, I have an attorney, I don't know where they are, I can't get in touch with them. And if it's a public defender, you can file a substitution. You have the public defender boards that oversight it. And if it's a private lawyer, well, you can always call another lawyer to step in and fix it and potentially go after that lawyer if there's a claim. If any of this happens to you, you find yourself in court and you need a good lawyer, call us at the Bradley Law Firm. We'd be happy to help.